scared of the night, always wanting the fright of your life. Oh baby, can't you see the monster screamed in your dreams? Be your monster, darling, while you're scared of sleep at night. Oh, to tell you that remember of your life. No, baby, yes, your feet, the monster made of mine.
Hey guys, girls and ghouls, it's your boy here, Racer from Racer's Twisted Exploring. We're out in Manchester today, and we're about to hit a bank. Yes. Through this very window, and through this very huge building is a bank. So let's get inside and open up the vaults. So we're inside. We're about to enter this vault, the Chatwood patent.
Chatwood, yeah, Chatwood.
So we're entering this vault. Wow. All different numbers here. People would have stood there. I don't know, what do you have stored, do you think? Their jewels? Their cash? Their gold? Maybe? It is a bank after all.
I think I remember that. That looks like the same door from earlier on, if you remember. You know, inside the...
With this handle?
Yeah, no, and just the make. I remember it being Chatwood. Yeah, it's the same. Look. Chatwood.
That's so a last place that we went to.
Yeah, so it's the same make. Obviously, because it's within the Manchester area.
Wow. Wow. Look at them windows. Have cake and eat it.
Wow.
Just desserts. A good market.
Yeah, it's just...
Yo.
This is an old fridge. Wow.
Hold on, we have a paper here. And we have a date on it. 1986. Look at this England fridge. Wow. And all the plates just left here. Look at all these books. All stored here. And I hope they get sent on to a museum. Reused again. Otherwise, it's such a shame. There's an old bicycle here. Look at that. Oh, there's a map. Is that of this area in Manchester? I'm trying to refrain from flashing it too much towards the windows. Wow. Whoa. Callum, have you been in here? Some old paintings. Maybe old posters, advertisement posters. Rosie Garland, poet, singer, novelist, and cabaret. Wow. I need to go high beam, guys. And you'll see. We're in an old bank here. This is beyond a doubt insane. Like, just look at all that architecture. Look at these. These would have been your main doors to come through to the bank. I'm guessing so. Look at these old light fixtures. Wow. There's some of the statues here. You can make out him, let us know in the comments. And again, the same with this statue. If I can get a good glimpse of him. There we go. Do let us know who these people was. I always like to hear back off you and your feedback and the history that you know. So we have a stairway there, guys. I'm going to stick by CALLUM for now and carry on through. Look at these columns. That's insane. These doors are so beautiful. I'm guessing these are like little private offices that they'd bring them into. Wow. Very out looking onto Victoria there. But yeah, I have to be a little careful. Victoria Station is just over the road. Wow. Look at this panelling. This wooden panelling.
It's almost the right time, almost. I think it might be because it's currently 5 minutes to 12. It's almost 12. I'm sorry, we're 5 minutes to 11, so actually it's not correct.
This is mad.
Architecture is just something you've not seen before.
I mean, this is only the bottom floor as well.
There's old stuff left.
There's a clock on the wall. Look at this stone sort of effect. Wow. What's that down there? This is your main entrance.
It would have been, yeah.
Look at the ceiling. Look at the elevators. Our Glorious Dead, 1914 to 1918. Wow. So it's a sort of a remembrance area. Oh yeah, we're back near these stairs.
This is close to the window. If that window is, it's just there.
So, looks like some sort of toilet area. Just over here. There is some stairs off the side here. So, but obviously that's been blocked out.
Wow. Yeah, this is the bit where I'm thinking, I think.
Yeah.
Looks like it. Because there's the vents inside.
This brings us back in here. There seems like some steps there. But then there's steps here. And there's steps going down. Down. Before we go up. Well, we've marked it.
Yeah, just be careful. Don't smack it or anything.
Wow. We've got a safe over there, which we'll check. But this looks like possibly another part of the vaults.
Definitely, yeah.
Look at this. Oh. Give me a shiver up the spine then. Chatwood again.
Must be a safe manufacturer. Makes sense.
Very local cashier. Is there any other things on here? I tell you, it's very maze-like, this place, guys. Leads off to another stairwell here. Yeah. We'll continue down here though. There's another stairwell. Oh, that's the stairwell that we came down. I'm getting a little lost. That's the stairwell we came down. Yeah. Wow, this is a vault. Look at the size of this door. Jeez. That is insane. And we're in the vault. Business Information Unit. Permanent files are as follows, all co-op files. So they keep all the files in all these different sort of lockers down here in this secret little vault. Wow. Wow, hold on. The worldwide cooperative, 355 million members in 66 countries. A little information there. Congress reports. seems to say it for quite the few of them. We've got a row here for files. We've still got all these other lockers here to the side. Coming right back down here. Behind all this caging, there's a few, hold on, there's a few file folders down here. 1955. Hold on, what else have we got? 1945. That one's not dated. It's not even dated as well. But there's a lot of folders here. And a lot of, like, transcripts, I'm guessing, so. We're going as far back as 1945, one of them.
I'm not sure what this pipe is for. Interesting.
This is clearly some other sort of vault. Clearly, it has been stripped out. You can tell it's a vault as well. Going off the door.
Yeah.
Look at it. Look at the things there.
This was where
All these seem to be all vaults
yeah.
that they'd store stuff in. Look at all these cabinets. It's insane, guys.
Yeah, it is.
We've even got another one here. We've got a few pieces of paper here. Not much. It's a good one. This. Not much. What's this? Oh, they're like all checks, aren't they?
Yeah, because it's even got the
Yeah.
logo on it.
Lock checks cashed into your local bank. Look at the dark oak effect on this. Proper airy looking. Guys, we got into a bank, but we're not cracking a safe yet.
I'm trying to find out where abandoned saw that bricked off section. I think it's that way. It's the electrical.
That goes through to somewhere. This is another room. There's clearly some
That's how
units down there. Another vault. That's caged out.
Doesn't seem to lead anywhere. They seem to have caged it.
I'm guessing that leads back to the other one. No, that death trap.
Yeah.
Possibly. Wow. Look at that stairwell. That is amazing. This layout for the bank basement. Obviously we've got lifts. Temporary refuge area.
Maybe it's just do the area shelter. It was down that way, I think.
What, the air raid?
Yeah, he couldn't get through the bricked off. He didn't say it was an area shelter.
Oh,
He was under the
I've
assumption.
only just noticed. Look at this flooring. Wow.
I think it was this way. And that's what these signs are pointing to. Yeah, that's where he came to and it was bricked off. I presume there's an area shelter down there.
So yeah, guys, just behind this wall used to be an old air raid shelter. Unfortunately, it's bricked off.
It's a shame. This bit.
I guess this place is too massive though, to be fair. So yeah guys, this place is massive, and we're not going to cover all of it. So the floors going up, there's going to be some floors that we miss. However, we will cover this floor. So we got another vault. Another chapwood.
That seems like a vault to drop stuff into because it seems to go. It's like a chute. By the looks of it. Wow. Mechanism. Oh, there's a wall. This place is callous. If this is just the ground floor, imagine what's on the up floors.
That's, I'd rather skip some. Look at all these bank vaults. Nice.
Mini notes.
Thought that said George. It does. It does. Look at that. George is with us in spirit.
He is.
Can't miss you, George. So yeah, we're back here.
Oh, I done this bit.
And we're gonna go up now.
Wow.
So up these stairs we go. We're gonna miss a couple of floors, guys. If we can.
This is the ground floor, it says.
Well, yeah, this is obviously ground floor. Where obviously we've done. Just look at these all lights.
I know you really don't see them anymore nowadays.
We're getting closer to the roof as well. So
it is amazing.
the patterning and the stonework as well. Do we do this?
No, the sheeting, what's the sheeting?
Or do we go up?
For you? Yeah, the pigeon is there.
And so, meeting room. This place is massive. Look at the sheer size of that. The tram going into Victoria. Insane. Here's what this is. But yeah, I think it's all open office space here. So yeah, we got another meeting room too. We're just trying to keep it simple, guys, so we can show you as much as possible. Strategic planning unit. So basically that goes into the room that we just went into, basically. I think it all goes all into that room. Look at that archway. Wow. Obviously we got toilets. And then small sort of boxed area here. But yeah, let's get up another step. How far up? There's quite a few. I think there's a mirror at the top as well, because like when I'm shining up, I can see a flash at the top. So I think there's some sort of glass or mirror reflecting that. These lifts are on every floor. Top looks. Seems like.
It's just been stripped.
Yeah. So yeah, very repetitive. Some of these floors. So we're gonna skip, I think, this floor and go up the next. Again guys, it's purely because it's kind of a similar layout as you'll see with this floor. We've got the lifts, we'll come through. We've got toilets. Clearly that floor didn't have this wall, and this comes through again into some sort of office part. That we'll show you, don't worry. It's repetitive. We come here. However, obviously we got these supports on the windows. This time round, the walls are down between these. But otherwise, it's quite repetitive. So, I think at this point, Callum, we move it up to the top. So,
On level 6, yeah.
level 6. Where's the tiling? This one's shaped out a little different since it's at the top. An old skylight up there that's been blocked out.
What a shame.
We're through here. Look at these skylights above. Almost very torch-like, isn't it? Yeah, the columns off the sides. But yeah, again, very repetitive. Look at this sort of panelled pattern on this wall. I tell you, it's fairly warm in here as well. It's quite hot in here that I want to be outside. So yeah guys, I'm back down here in the main part of the bank. Just to get here a bit more light. Main part of the bank. We found the main safe door. Look at them locks. They're massive. We're going into the heart of the bank, where they would have kept the riches of the riches. Seems like another part of the vault here. That's mad, guys. So we're here, about to enter this other section. Apparently Callum's found his way up onto the roof. So let's go join him, guys. Wow, look at that spiral staircase. It leads down there. Does that lead back into the bank? Let's go up here. Oh no. Is that the way? Through here? I think we are here, guys. Callum? Callum? Peekaboo. Yeah. So yeah, we're on the roof right now. Try to keep the beam low to the ground. Give you a little sneaky peek though of how close we are to this cooperative tower, if we can. Look at that. It is a bit dark out tonight, guys, but that's our way up to the next floor. Good views. Way down there, Manchester.